Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is 2021. Happy New Year. Okay, so in this video, sorry, wait, hold on. My name is Kree. Did I say that already? I don't think I did. Well, my name is Kree, and on my channel I do hair and makeup. This video, in fact, I was supposed to put up last year and I didn't put it up, but better late than never. I've got more videos in the lineup to come up. But yeah, in this video I'm basically going to be doing, like, showing you how I do the partings for triangle knotless braids. I'm not going to show you how I do knotless braids, but I will link a video down below of a video of how I did do knotless braids. But yeah, you're going to need a tail comb, because the tail comb basically helps you part the partings. As you can see, the tail comb is in between the two braids below, and I'm going to use that same line that I'm in between with the two braids below and go up. All the lines in triangles need to be lined up. Not even in just triangles, in squares as well. All the lines need to be lined up, otherwise it's not going to look good. I mean, it will look good, but it kind of like a bricklayer effect. So I think that's probably what you're trying to do. That's probably what you would be doing, I would say. But with triangles, if you want it to basically look like a little maze, then you need to be lining up them lines, baby, because otherwise you're going to go off track. But yeah, as you know, I always put jam in the part and then I part it again to make sure that the line is actually straight and there's no like loose hairs lying around the place. But yeah, if you was to pick up 4 plaits, you'd be able to see that it creates a bigger a bigger triangle, and that's the kind of effect that you want to go for. Okay, so even though this is not a knotless braid tutorial, you're gonna see how I do knotless braids in the video anyway. But let me just say something whilst you're watching me do that. When you're parting it and you're going from side to side, make sure the lines are straight, going side to side. And when I'm saying side to side, you basically want your head to look like a pineapple. I personally believe that triangle parts look like a pineapple. If you go and look at an actual pineapple, you can see they're actually like triangles. But yeah, you want to part it going from like ear to ear, then eye to eye, and you have to make sure that the lines are actually leveled, because obviously you know your eyes aren't going to be one up and one down. So if you did part it like that, you would be able to line it up properly. That's just a piece of advice, how you can part the hair. And also it helps if you make the back, well, like when you're parting it from eye to eye, have the back up just slightly a little bit. So how do I explain what I'm talking about, because I didn't actually record showing you like how I do that, but I basically make sure that the back part of the line goes slightly up, because once you get to the top of the head, you need them all to fit and you need them all to be the same size. But yeah, let me just speed through this anyway and let you see what I'm doing without me talking, because I feel like I'm doing a lot of talking. Maybe 2021 has changed me a little bit, I don't know. But yeah, let's get back into the video. I've just come back quickly to show you that when you pick up a group of plaits, they all create one big triangle, and that should happen all the time.